How's everybody doing? If you're having a problem with your Bosch washing machine that is continually filling, like this machine now is continually filling, it'll come all the way up to a certain level until it starts pumping out, and the water should only probably come up to here at the start, you know. So if you're having that issue, the chances are you have a faulty solenoid or there's air stuck in your pressure switch hose. This is caused usually by a move of the machine. If you move it to the side or move it, I don't know, to a different house or apartment, sometimes the air can get locked in the pressure switch hose. So I'm just going to show you what to do in the eventuality that this happens to you. Okay, the first thing you must do is turn off your machine. Okay, turn it off. Plug out the appliance. Very important to do that. Okay, you plug out this appliance here, and what we'll be doing is going to the back of the washing machine. And you have two screws. Okay, just one up above where the water connects, and there's one over here on the other side. So you need a Torx T20 screwdriver, which I have here, to open them screws. Okay, now that I have both those screws out, I'm just going to come back around to the front of the machine, the Bosch. I'm going to hit this lid away from me, okay? Loosens this, and you just lift the lid up out of the way, okay? Okay, now I have that lid out of the way, put it somewhere safe. And here, this is your pressure switch here. Okay, you have a black hose, sometimes it's clear. In this case, it's a black hose, you can't really see it very clearly here. But you can just see it there, the black hose going up into the switch. You'll be taking that off, okay? It just pulls off, okay? Now, you see the hose here? What you'll be doing now is blowing down it. It might be a good idea just to give it a wipe with a baby wipe or some sort of cleaning wipe that will before you put your mouth around it. Okay, so what I'll be doing anyway is I'll be blowing down this. Blow down hard. It will free. Sometimes there's bits of there can be bits of washing powder or other things can get stuck inside there, suds and stuff. Usually it's air, okay, from a move or whatever. So what I'll be doing is I'll be giving that a wipe and I'll be blowing down it. Okay, now that I just gave that a wipe, I'm going to be blowing down it as hard as I can. You'll hear bubbles of water in the machine. You might be able to hear it here. Okay, that's blowing down. Next thing we're doing is reattaching it onto where you took it off, on the bottom of the pressure switch here, okay? Now, when you've that reattached, put back on your lid, put back on your screws again, try the appliance again. If that doesn't sort the issue, the chances are you'll have a problem with your solenoid, which is at the back corner here. Just one wire going to the top here, okay? If the water's still coming into the machine after the machine turned off, you know there's a faulty solenoid, okay? So in my case, I know it's this is the fault. So look, if you still have water coming in, as I say, and the machine turned off, you'll be changing this, okay? You just loosen off these two spring clips here, take out your wire, take out your solenoid and replace. Okay, I hope the video was helpful to you. I would suggest trying blowing down that hose first, and if no joy, maybe change the solenoid. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've a successful repair and have a very good Christmas. We're in strange times, we'll do our best to enjoy it regardless, and thanks so much for all the support in the videos, and I would really appreciate if you could give me a sub. I'm closing in on 1,000 subs, about 822 or something. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind subbing to my channel, I'd really appreciate that too. And thanks again for everything, and take care. Have a good Christmas. All the best.